What's up, guys? This is Crypto with James talking to you today about Pendle. Now, Pendle started trending. It's actually there's been some recent announcements regarding Pendle. It's arrived on another chain. This has obviously resulted in a bit of surge in terms of trading volume, and to be honest, the protocol is looking pretty damn good. So I want to break this down and share what's going on with it. Before I get into any of that, though, guys. If you are new to the channel, these are the first 26 coins that I did videos about. And you can see what the coins were. You can see what the prices were when I recorded the videos. You can see the highs that these coins hit. And that's 18 months on. Now, I bought all of these. I showed that in the videos that I did. I sold these about 18 months on. If you did on the same, let's say you'd put exactly $100 into each one and sold 18 months on, your profit from a $2,600 investment would have been 123 grand, which is obviously pretty good. Since I sold these, I have been buying up cryptos since the market's tanked. I'm buying up cryptos consistently, and I share these at copymycrypto.com. This is a website I run where anytime I buy a crypto, I let my members know what crypto I'm buying, what gains I think it can have, what percentage of my money I'm putting in. When I sell a crypto, I let my members know what coin I'm selling, what percentage I'm selling, and what I'm doing with my profits. Is it that I'm banking it? Is it that I'm reinvesting it? It's always completely transparent. And what it means is the members don't have to do any work in their crypto investing. They literally just can copy along and make the exact same profits I do. Now, have a look at how you did in the last bull cycle, if you're happy with how you got on. If you're not, go on to copymycrypto.com and go actually have a look at the site. Go see what the members achieved in the last bull cycle. Go see what I've said as well. All of it's public record, so you can verify every single thing that you read and see on the website. And then you can make a decision if you think you're going to get better gains than you did in the last bull cycle at copymycrypto.com. Right, let's talk Pendle. So, Pendle launched a really unfortunate point, actually. Launched in the peak of the bull cycle at around sort of $2. Launched at $1, hit highs of sort of $2, and then it's come back down. In the last 7 days, it's had pretty good growth. It actually had a 200% gain, 100% gain really, before pulling back. Now, what's happened recently with Pendle? Very simple. Pendle is expanded. So this is an Ethereum-based yield powerhouse, and they have now expanded to the BNB chain. So Pendle offers users yields in the form of tradable digital tokens, with some strategies offering as much as 82% yields on Ethereum and Ethereum derivative tokens. Now, Ethereum, an Arbitrum-based liquid staking platform, Pendle, is expanding to the BNB network. And this actually looks like this has got really strong potential. Liquid staking has effectively been the fastest growing thing within DeFi. Basically, since Ethereum moved to proof of stake, liquid staking has just surged. Obviously, Lido DAO is a great example of that. And Pendle offers people really good opportunities to earn some yield. So if we go to Pendle Finance, you can see where they're at right now. So you can get a solid sort of 6% discount on ETH. You can get a 3.38% discount on USDT. So you can buy assets at a discount. And then you can work on getting yield. So Pendle splits the yield from yield-bearing assets. It gives you better prices than anything on exchanges. So there's also the Pro app where you can long yield or hedge your yield exposure. So again, it's a very clever premise. Very clever premise. So if we open up their app, what we'll be able to see is, look, you can buy assets at up to 14% discount. And these are freely tradable. So you can get these assets and you can make some money. if you provide liquidity, you can get up to 42% APY. So we can literally just have a look through. So ETH, you can get ETH via Lido at a 14.2% discount. Now, it tells you the maturity date, so you can see how long it's going to be before effectively you would get that. So you would get it in 2027. So obviously that's a long ass time away. But effectively what this does is it puts people in long positions. It gets people to start basically growing their portfolio long term. It's a nice, clever way of doing things. It really is. And as long as, nothing goes terribly wrong for Pendle, which I don't see any evidence that they would, this is a quality opportunity. Because you could literally just buy cryptos at discount and just get them whenever you decide which one you want to use, and you decide what kind of level of maturity length you want. So realistically, we're looking at a bull cycle for next December, right? So getting a 7% discount on ETH right now, buying it, you're going to get it at a better price than you are anywhere else, and then you'll get hold of your ETH in December of next year. That's quality. That's quality. So there you go. The principal token can be redeemed for the underlying asset in full on that maturity date. Can I sell my position before the maturity date? Yes. You can choose to sell your position at any time before the maturity date via the dashboard. The price will vary depending on market forces. It's just a clever way of getting involved. It's a really interesting idea. It puts you in longer positions with quality assets. You can see what the pools are as well. So you can see if you were looking at, say, trying to grow or get a nice yield, you can go through the pools. You can see what maturity date on the pools are as well. And we can switch to BNB. So as you can see, the pools, there's a huge boost on BNB right now. If we go on to discounts, you can see, 1.5% discounts, not bad for BNB, and that would get you ETH via the Binance staked ETH. That would again mature for basically Christmas of next year, or Boxing Day of next year. So again, very clever. It's a very clever idea. So introducing BNB is a great idea. And I expect that this will widen, I would not be surprised to see Pendle start introducing Avalanche and, other layer ones. And then as a result, there's going to be nice opportunities again to just get these discounts that you can redeem in a year, in a couple of years, in 4 years. Depends how long you want to go. But very clever. Very, very clever. Now guys, there's something I want to talk about. So, at the moment, there is an exclusive offer on BitGet for this YouTube channel. If you haven't got a BitGet account, you can join. You can participate. If you join through the link in the description, you can potentially win a huge share of a 100 grand prize pool. Whether that's a laptop, whether that's just crypto being airdropped to you, whether that's an Amazon voucher for like 2 grand. And all you got to do is KYC, do a deposit, have some trading volume. There's lots of little things you can do. You can do a copy trade for $1. You can do a peer-to-peer deposit for $1. You can do a third-party deposit for $1. You can do a bank deposit for £1. You can do a Sharknin subscription for $1. You can do an earn feature for $1. All of those things will give you raffle entries, and potentially you'll win a ton of crypto or a laptop, or again, all these cool ass prizes. And it's exclusive to this YouTube channel. And the thing I want to share about BitGet is, guys, look, BitGet's reserve ratio right now is better than anywhere else. BitGet holds 223% of user assets. So they hold way more user assets than there actually is. And the reason that you have this huge reserve ratio is because it can only benefit you. It means if liquidity is removed by any individuals, that ratio just goes up. The ratio just goes up. So BitGet have more than enough crypto in reserves to always be okay. That's a really important thing. And they can do deposits in a much better way now than places like Binance. Binance have blocked stuff. You know, if you're in the UK, Binance have blocked deposits from banks in the UK pretty dramatically. And on BitGet, you can deposit no problem. You can pay with a credit card, debit card, and as you can see, you can just wang in 100 quid, and that will get you however many USDT. They've got their peer-to-peer deposits, which again is quality. By the way, if you deposit from your bank or buy crypto from your bank, you'll get 10% cash back as well, which is always nice, right? They're peer-to-peer. There's 0 fees for peer-to-peer. So you literally just choose the currency that you want to pay with. You choose the digital asset you want to buy. You choose your desired trading pair, and you just click buy. It's that simple. It's so damn easy. And they have third-party a third-party purchase option as well. So you decide the currency, you decide the payment method, and you decide the payment provider, and it will go through. Again, a lot better than what we're seeing in places like Binance, where you can't deposit. So if you're having issues with Binance, you will not have them at BitGet. And if you use the link in the description, you could potentially win a huge prize for just doing basic activities. And like I said, that reserve ratio, 223%, can be confirmed elsewhere. It's quality. So, back to Pendle. Pendle is offering a really unique opportunity within crypto. It's not actually offered in anywhere else that I've seen. I'm sure there are now a few more projects that are going to do this, but right, Pendle's the first of its kind that I've seen. I like it. I really like it, and I can easily see this coin banging up to about $10. That would be a market cap of 2 billion. I think that's probably about right, given what they're offering, and given that a ton of people are going to have got a bunch of crypto on discount. What's going to happen when we're in a bull cycle next year? If they're still got an open position, they're going to sell that. The volume through Pendle is going to go through the roof. The Pendle token is naturally going to go through the roof as people see the profits that people are making as well. I think this is a winner. $10 seems fair. 2 billion market cap. Is anyone disagreeing with that? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you think that's bang on? Do you think it could do more? I'd be very curious to hear what everyone has to say. Do you like the idea of getting an Ethereum discount, but not being able to get your Ethereum for a year or 2 years? How does that make you feel? Let me know in the comments as well down below. And if you're a returning viewer, hit the subscribe button. These videos are going to make you money. Don't miss them. You also go through information you're not going to get anywhere else. So again, that'll help you make money. So hit the subscribe button so you can keep making money. And folks, I share the coins that I'm in at copymycrypto.com. Anytime I buy a crypto, my members are alerted. Anytime I sell a crypto, I tell my members. There is no work involved in Copy My Crypto. We ended up getting a couple of hundred members in the first couple of days. We're now at like over 3,000 members. And the reason for that is we've had successes. We've had coins that 100x. We had Phantom that's 700x. And no one was talking about Phantom when I got in on it. You won't find a YouTube video about Phantom in 2020. Now, if you didn't make gains, or even if you did, check what gains you made and then go onto copymycrypto.com and compare against the members. If your gains were better than the members, obviously you don't need Copy My Crypto. But if they weren't, then have a look through that site. Read through it. Everything on there is public record. And you can decide if Copy My Crypto is going to give you a better return than what you got yourself. And again, the benefit of copymycrypto.com, no work for any of the members. They just copy along. It's as simple as that. So if you've not got around to it, go to copymycrypto.com and check that out, guys. And I'll see you all soon. Take it easy. Bye-bye.